Hi there. Do you develop websites, apps, or have a tech startup? If so, you're a bit lucky. Maybe you're not living up to that cash-making dream you hoped when you first started. Maybe you're getting traffic onto your site, but they're not converting that well. Or maybe you just want to increase your sales even more. Well, I'm going to show you how to solve those problems in the next few minutes. Meet Thomas. He's a talented designer and runs an online creative studio. He's always looking for better ways to get more clients so that he can live up to that dream of doing the work he loves and getting paid well for it. Every day, Thomas spends a lot of time and money into things like SEO and PPC to drive more traffic onto his site, but the big problem was that they just weren't converting as well as he hoped. Thomas was frustrated that the money he spends on marketing was going down the drain every single day. Your website needs to grab attention fast. The average time a person spends on a website is only 8 seconds. So if your website doesn't have that attention-grabbing factor, they're going to click away. But don't worry, there is an easy solution. That's where Animated by Us comes in. We understood Thomas's problems and we handcrafted him a personality-filled explainer video just like this one. After Thomas implemented his new explainer video to his website, people who landed on his page are now captivated to stay and listen to his story. The video was also shared across social media platforms, which drew even more attention to the business. More prospects started to get in touch, and this resulted in Thomas getting a lot more sales. Thomas is now a very happy fella, aren't you, Thomas? When you have a video on your website, visitors are 144% more likely to take action. They stay on average 2 minutes more, and Google are more likely to increase your search ranking to up to 53 times. We live in a fast-moving world where if we don't keep innovating, we fall behind. We're not sure what the future holds, but we know that right now, videos are it. So, if you'd like to take your business to the next level, then simply click the Contact Us button now. Send us a message and we'll get in touch soon. What are you waiting for?